Hello guys, this is Deepak Chaurasia. As I promised, I will keep sharing the videos which will add value to your life, and if you keep taking the actions which I mentioned in my video holistically, you are going to transform yourself and able to achieve the success you desired and dream of. So today we are going to talk about how to give your best in your job, in your work, in your career to grow better in life. So let me tell you, I have seen lot of people in my 15 to 16 year career who crib on their jobs, who will be keep telling, yeah, this company sucks, they don't have better management, they don't have better process, they don't have better system, they don't have good salary structure, they don't pay good, and lot of things, and so much of negativity about the employer. So first thing what we need to understand, that whatever we have in life, we must have gratitude towards it. So you must have the gratitude and a good positive thinking about your company. When I say the gratitude, you must think that today whatever you have financially with you, it's due to your company. If you are able to fulfill your responsibility, it's due to your company. If you are able to fulfill the dreams of your dependents people, it's due to your company. If you are able to desire more things in your life, it's due to your company. So your company is giving you a lot of things, it's getting the food on your table, and after that if still you pollute your duty or your job, it's really not fair. Now what is the reason people crib on their job? One could be they do not like kind of work what they are doing, but we must be aware and we must understand our company does not force you and never forced us to join. We joined maybe due to money or whatever. So if it was our decision, so it's our responsibility to give our best to our company. And even if you want to grow and really want to go on the path which you like or which you desire, you need to first work in the best possible way in the role what has been given to you. I have seen the people, they tell, Deepak, I am not interested in testing, I want to try my hand on development, please give me a chance to work on development. Or the people in other teams and all, they will have same kind of request. But when we see their profiles, when we see what they have done in their current job, if they have not done good in the testing itself, if their behavior is not up to the mark, they are not taking the ownership required, do you think anyone is going to give them chance for the other role? No. So that is the reason it is very important to work good in the role where you are, because whatever you do, if you do in substandard way, if it shows your attitude, it shows your wrong thinking about the work. Let me share one of my own example from my own life. I have done the engineering computer science. After that, because I did not get any job in campus interview, because we hardly had any campus interview that time, I started doing the CDEC. I had done the entrance exam, got a good percentile, and took the admission in CDEC. After doing the CDEC, due to my English communication, I did not landed up any good job. Even I was great in my technicals, but still I failed to pass my HR rounds. End of the time, I got a job in one company who hired me for testing. Now I never wanted to do the testing, because I was someone who has done my BTech in computer science. I was someone who was good in technicals. I was someone who has done good in the CDEC itself. But because my family condition was like that, it was required to start working, and I was not getting that if I lose this job and if I am not going to join, where I will go in my life. That is the reason I have taken that offer. But as soon as I have taken that offer, I became honest. Whatever I do, I am going to do in a great way. Being an engineer, I have done hell lot of manual testing, and wherever I got opportunity, I did the automation testing. And when I started doing good automation testing, I got a chance to train other people on automation, and I have started adding lot of value. I was doing my testing in quite perfect way, and was getting very minor defects. Even in my 1 year of career, I got an offer of junior manager post, but that was the time when I denied, and I mentioned, and showed my desire to work in the development, and told them to give me one chance in development. And seeing my track record, seeing how good I work, what kind of attitude I have towards work, and I take extreme ownership of everything what I do. I love to improve every day basis. I got good positive support from the management, and I got a chance to switch in development. Think if I wouldn't have taken my testing career seriously and just I would have worked for the money's sake, do you think I was able to do that switch? No. There are very few people who are able to switch from a testing to development and able to make a great career, but I have done that. So from my own experience, I am teaching you that never pollute your duty. If you remember, Mr. Abdul Kalam has said, if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everyone. But if you do not pollute your duty and do your job in the best possible way, you don't have to salute anyone. Your work will speak. So make your work speak, so you don't have to speak for anything. And leave your great mark on whatever you do. And it is going to make the difference, and you eventually you are going to get the path what you are looking for. But the main thing is, while you are doing the work, still in the background you need to keep working on your goal. You need to keep thinking how you will achieve what you want. As I was daily, after going from job to home, 2 to 3 hours I was doing the coding, reading the development books, just to make sure that my touch does not go from the development. So see the dream. But if you have a dream and desire and you have a conflict of interest from your job, does not mean that your job is responsible for that. Your job is something which is giving you a livelihood. You should never pollute it. Take extreme ownership whatever role you have in your job, and work in background to realize your dreams. That is your true potential, and that way you will become a true human being, and you will gain the success in your life.